There comes a time when your dreams feel big, but your actions feel small. You imagine a better life, you imagine success, but when it's time to move, you freeze. You tell yourself, I'll start later, maybe tomorrow. If you've ever felt stuck, full of ambition, but empty of effort, then listen carefully. Because sometimes, one story is enough to change the direction of your entire life. In a peaceful mountain town lived a young man named Rayan. He was smart, energetic, and full of beautiful dreams. He would often say, "One day I'll build something great. One day people will know my name." Everyone believed he had potential, but potential means nothing without effort. And that was Rayan's biggest struggle. Every morning, the town woke up early. Workers filled the fields. Shopkeepers opened their doors. Life moved forward. But Rayan, he stayed under the shade of trees, imagining a future he was not working for. He loved dreaming. He loved planning, but he hated doing. He didn't realize that dreams without action slowly turn into regrets. One evening, after hearing Rayan make another empty promise, his grandmother sat beside him. She looked at him gently and said, "Rayan, dreams are like seeds. They grow only when you water them daily, but laziness grows on its own. If you don't choose your dream, your laziness will choose your future for you." These words didn't just enter his ears, they entered his heart. For the first time, Rayan woke up before sunrise. He cleaned his yard, built small beehives, planted flowers, and worked until his hands hurt. The progress was slow, painfully slow. But day after day, his effort began to show results. The bees arrived, the honey came, and so did the respect he once only dreamed of. Rayan didn't change in one day. He changed because he refused to give up on the next day. Rayan's story teaches a simple but powerful truth. Inside every human being, two forces are always fighting. One is ambition, the voice that pushes you forward. The other is laziness, the voice that tells you to wait. Both voices speak every day, but only one decides your future. Ambition grows only when you feed it with action, with discipline, with effort, even on days when you feel tired. But laziness grows on excuses, on comfort, on just one more day. And slowly, without noise, it steals your dreams. Your future depends on which voice you listen to today. So don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for motivation. Start now, even if it's small, because great lives are not built in one day. They are built by small actions, repeated daily. The quiet effort no one sees. The discipline you choose when excuses feel easier. Remember this: every dream stays alive only when you move toward it. Every delay slowly pulls it away from you. And every great life begins with one small step, not the perfect step, but the brave step, the step you take today. If this story felt personal, it's because it was meant for you. Don't let this be just another video you forget. Let it be the moment you decide to change. If you believe in your dreams, show it with your actions. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this story with someone who has big dreams but keeps waiting for the right time. Because the right time is not tomorrow. The right time is now.